Grundfos has been part of CIE from the very beginning. A very special connection actually, because we have been part of installing a lot of the pumps here that are used for the heating, for the cooling, for the water supply. So we are quite well established already at the beginning, at the foundation of the building.
We have been in China for 30 years. We are very committed to the Chinese market, and we're going to remain our focus here, no matter if there is something going a little bit against us on the global trade. We believe that in the long run, globalization will win and global trade will win.
And we will be part of that for the Chinese market, for sure. The Chinese market is a very important market for Grundfos. China comes from a place where energy consumption is relatively high and there's a high CO2 emission. But the government has put a very, very high target on reducing the CO2 emission. This supports very well the very DNA of our company, which is to save water and save on the climate and the energy agenda. So a very important market also for our strategy. And Chinese market is one of the largest pump markets globally. I think the CIE is a way for us to understand and see the Chinese market's customers, the opportunities here to meet even international customers from all over Asia, even from the rest of the world, coming here to understand what is available in the Chinese market. And this is a place for us to showcase our sustainability products that helps us drive the energy consumption down of buildings, which is a very, very important goal for us as a company, and to support the Chinese built environment also to become more efficient.